I'd like to thank Piece of Cake Moving for making my day so easy and such a piece of cake. My move-in day was yesterday. I was so stressed about getting the U-Haul and getting movers who I could trust, who could move my things safely and professionally. And I booked Piece of Cake Moving within a day, and they arrived on time. The move was between 3 to 4 hours, including the 30-minute drive with traffic to my other building. And I got my keys. The movers came in, they were fast, they were quick, they were efficient, they were professional. They moved all of my things with great care, and there were no hidden fees, no surprises, which I really appreciated because I was on a budget. And so I just appreciate how professional and quick and efficient everything was. I'm now in my new apartment. I'm loving my space. I don't have to worry about anything. Everything is right where it needs to be. The team was so organized, and I am so happy that I chose Piece of Cake Moving. I will be moving with them in the future for all of my moves, actually, because it was just such a piece of cake, and I really appreciated that.